So, our prototype is a web based system, a versatile web application that is designed to cater to two distinct user roles. Now, to make it more interesting and user friendly, we have also integrated a chatbot to mimic human like conversations with natural language processing capabilities and machine learning techniques. The chatbot will brief the user about our application, would provide an easy way to access the vehicle data. Suppose I want the details of the bus from graphic to Gadi Cant, then the necessary details of the bus will be shown. Will also provide emergency assistance in case of any emergencies. So this was all about our chatbot. Now coming to our user's perspective. Now if the driver is the user, the journey begins with the sign up form where he would be asked to enter the necessary details of the bus, like the bus number, the registration number, the name of the driver, his contact number, and the password. Now, from here, the driver has to choose the necessary papers of his vehicles and upload them, especially the pollution papers. Now, clicking on submitting button, the driver will be directed to a login page. Now, if the driver has already registered, then also he would be seamlessly directed to a login page. Here, I will enter my bus number and the password. So this is my password, and upon successful registration and login, I will be directed to a dashboard page. Now this dashboard shows the necessary details of the bus driver. Now here I could update the status of my bus. So here I'll enter my name and will set the status. Now this is a very important part. Now before uh, starting your real-time monitoring location, you have to set the status of the bus as active. Until you set the status as active, the real-time monitoring will not be shown. So I'll set the status as active and update my status. So here I would be able to see the real-time location of my bus. So our system utilizes GPS technology to determine the precise location of each bus in a real time. This information will be stored on a centralized server and then visualizing it on a mapping interface. Now, this is a very interesting feature. The driver will be able to show the users the number of seats available according to the accommodations. Suppose I set these as 6 and update the details. So the user will be shown the updated details of the bus. So see, the user will be shown the passenger count with the number of seats left. So this is a feature that we have implemented in our application. Now, if we want to pause the real-time monitoring of the bus, the driver will click on pause, and if he wants to resume the real-time monitoring, he would click on resume. So if the driver clicks on stop, he would be redirected to the dashboard page. So this was all for the user's perspective in case of driver. Now moving on to our passenger users. So the process is equally straightforward for our passengers user, where they will be directed to a page showing the list of available buses. Now here there is also an option to enter the destination, and then the user will be shown the list of buses according to their desired destination. Now from the list of buses here, I'll select a bus. Now see, the real-time monitoring location of our bus will be shown to us according to our selected bus. So if I click on view bus, I will be shown the proper details of the bus, the number of seats left, the information about the driver. Now, here's a very interesting feature that we have implemented, an SOP button in case of any emergencies. Now, if the user will click on this emergency button, this panic button, the admin will of course receive a notification, and all the users which are connected through our bus will receive this notification. So here's the live demo to see. And if I click on another user, see, this user will also receiving the notification about that this emergency service has been arrived in a specific bus. So this was all about our application that we have designed, and we are currently working on it to increase its overall capabilities and to provide a more effective and efficient experience. Thank you.